Hi, my name is Elise and I am totally obsessed with my garden. I'm here in Tobiano, British Columbia, overlooking Tobiano Golf Course, which is rated number 8 in the entire world. It is amazingly gorgeous and I'm out here every day gardening and watching golf. So come along with me and see if you can learn something new about gardening and enjoy gardening and watching golf with me. This morning I'm going to do some work on my asparagus veggie bed. So it is the 6th bed out of my 6 that run along the west side of my property. And half of the veggie bed is asparagus and then the other half are other vegetables like peppers, tomatoes, some herbs, basil. So I've noticed that the asparagus is starting to droop a little bit and I actually haven't really given it much attention. I had just planted it in, I believe, May, early May, and it's grown. One of them in particular is sprouting out some beautiful flowers and the other ones are growing, but they're starting to droop a little bit. I haven't fertilized them yet and I don't think I've put enough soil in to mound around each asparagus plant, so I'm going to do that today and see if it perks it up. So for asparagus, it's important that the fertilizer have a high middle number. So this here is called Big Ass Carrots. It's a Canadian-made organic product. It's 100% organic, and this middle P number is the highest. So that is good for asparagus. 193 is what the ratio is on this fertilizer. So even though it's called Big Ass Carrots, I'm going to try it on my asparagus and see how it goes. Additionally, I'm going to put some compost into the bed as well to top it up. This is my favorite compost that I use on every veggie bed. Every year I top up with this compost. It's sea soil organic compost made from 100% renewable resources. On the bag here it says it's enriched with fish, nutrients, increases organic content, improves soil nutrition, and retains moisture, breaks up clay. So this is really good stuff. I've been using it for years when it was first recommended to me by someone at the nursery, and I've loved it since. So here we go. I'm going to top up the soil and put some fertilizer around the asparagus plants I have here. So here's my 6th vegetable bed, just at the end of the west side of my property, and I have several new asparagus plants that were just planted here in May. This one here has tons of flowers on it. It's looking huge and healthy, and then these other ones here are flopping a little bit. So I'm just worried about their progress. This one, you can see if I get up close, it's flopping over. So I'm going to put dirt right around the base here, and right at the base I'm going to do 1 scoop of that Big Ass Carrot fertilizer for each one of these. So each one will get a scoop. Here, 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 and here. Now since these were just planted in May and they're brand new, I am not going to be harvesting anything on these plants this year. Asparagus requires a lot of patience and I'm going to have to wait before I can harvest anything. So for now I'm just trying to get them strong and healthy so that they will survive the cold temperatures here. Here's a close-up of what the asparagus flowers look like. They look like daisies. They're so beautiful. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for coming along with me as I topped up the soil and fertilized my asparagus plants. I hope you have a great day and enjoyed gardening and watching some golf with me. Happy gardening!